ChatGPT accelerates the development process, whether you are a junior developer or a senior developer. In this video, I want to share how I use ChatGPT in programming to be more efficient. Subscribe to the channel and enjoy watching. Every year, programmers need to know more and more various technologies and programming languages. It's impossible to remember all of this, so you still have to search for information on the internet. Previously, I used Google or Stack Overflow to find an answer to my question. But now I use ChatGPT for answers to my programming questions. Suppose I have a task. I want to solve this task, but at the moment I have no ideas on how to implement this task. Then I turn to ChatGPT for help, so it can assist me with ideas on how to solve this task. I describe the task to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives me some hints and ideas for solving this task. When writing code, programmers write a comment. Comments provide understanding of what was created a year or a month ago. I also write comments to my code. During the development of a large project, a large number of programmers are involved. To quickly analyze the code and understand what another programmer wrote, you have to spend a lot of time. But using ChatGPT, this process can be accelerated and you can figure out a specific piece of code. I can take this code, copy and paste it into ChatGPT, so the ChatGPT can give me explanation for this code. Write in the comments whether you use ChatGPT and which cases. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next video. Bye.